Hi everyone, my name is Elisha, owner and designer at Wild Blossom Studio. The purpose of this video is to guide you through the steps to properly process your flowers that arrived in your curated flower box. So we want to ensure that the blooms that arrived in your box have longevity and are really hydrated. Once your flowers arrive, you're going to need to have the proper tools in order to process your flowers. So I want to go through some of the clippers that I use. So these are Felco snips, great for smaller stems and herbs. These are a Felco pruner, great for medium stems. And then these are a pair of shears, great for woody stems. Regular household scissors are not going to be suitable. They often crush the stems, cutting off the water supply to your flowers. So you're going to want to go out to your local greenhouse and pick up a few of these things before you get started. So step one is to fill a tub or a sink with lukewarm water. You're also going to want to fill a vase or a bucket with 8 cups of water, and then you're going to add the flower food that I have provided to you. Go. So now we are ready to start processing the flowers. Alright, so we're going to start by processing our snapdragons, or you can also call them your line flower. These leaves in the water are going to create a lot of bacteria, so we want to remove those. As you are stripping the bottom leaves off, you want to make sure that you don't snap these heads off. So make sure that you're protecting the flower head. So remove any of those bottom leaves, and then at a sharp angle, we're going to cut these stems underwater, let them drink for a few seconds, bubbles are good, and then place them in your vase full of flower food. Alright, so we've finished cutting our snapdragons underwater. We've got them drinking in a nice clean vase full of fresh water and flower food. Now we want to let them rest for at least 2 to 4 hours before we start designing with them. Make sure to store them in a nice, cool, dry area so they really have a chance to plump up and get really juicy before you start working with them. And it's as simple as that. I hope you've enjoyed this processing video. I hope it's enlightened you to the first step in having healthy, hydrated flowers. For more inspiration, you can find me at wildblossomstudio.com or on Instagram.